how to use one name on Facebook. Alright, so let's begin with the video. Step number 1. Open your Facebook app. So as I said, this is the account that I'll be making a single name on right now. It says sample text, but I'm going to change it to just sample. So the first thing you need to do is scroll down and click on settings and privacy, then click on settings. Here account center is at the top. Now you will see your profile, tap on it and then on your profile again. Before you go and click the name option, just close the Facebook app and open the Play Store. Don't close the Facebook app completely, let it remain open in the background. In the Play Store, search for VPN LAT. Click on install. Once the installation is complete, click on open. You'll see an accept prompt. Click on accept. Here you will see a list of countries. Scroll down to find the Indonesia server. This trick is only working with Indonesian servers for now for some reasons. As you can see, Indonesia is here, so click on it. Sometimes ads will pop up. Now as you can see, select the area. I will choose this one and click on connect. Now the server is connected, so after connecting, you go back and open Facebook. Then you continue from the step where you stopped. So under account center, you select the profiles, then you choose the one that is linked to Facebook. Then now under name, you click on it, then you can edit the name. So you remove the last name and then you edit the first name that you want to appear on your Facebook profile. So for now, I'll put sample. Then where there is last name, you're just going to press spacebar. Then after that, you click review change. So under last name, just click space, then save changes. After saving these changes, the name will only be one. Then you can confirm by logging into your Facebook account again. So that's basically how you can use one name on Facebook. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.